Hey guys, so we're going to continue our discussion on biochemistry. This is going to be the last section of chapter 6. So we have chapter 6.5, which is all about recombinant DNA and biotechnology. So first we have DNA cloning. So again, this is pretty important that I've seen a lot. So you just need to know that you're inserting DNA into a plasmid, okay? Another word for plasmid is vector. When we put this DNA in the vector, we actually change the DNA. We transform that DNA, okay? And when we transfer that DNA, it amplifies it. So the point of DNA cloning is to make more of what you want. So next we have restricted enzymes, okay? And the goal of restricted enzymes is to just cut at specific sequences, okay? It creates sticky ends. Now we call these sticky ends because then we have DNA ligase that then puts these together, okay? So when you have your restriction enzymes, they cut at specific parts of your DNA, okay? They then create a sticky, right? We're gonna quotation mark sticky strand, which we're just gonna say for combination. So DNA ligase then, once that sticky strand is created, comes through and then puts the completes it, pretty much closes it. So next we have DNA library. So we have a genomic library, which just includes your introns plus exons, and you have your cDNA library, which is reverse transcriptase from mRNA, and these are only exons, okay? And these are what's ready to be expressed. So remember, you don't express your introns; those get cleaved out. So you cut introns out of your DNA strand, and you would only leave your exons. So next we have amerization, which is just base pairing between complementary strands. We have DNA sequencing, which uses ddNTPSs to terminate DNA strains, okay? So they just get rid of the end of DNA strand. Application, so we can use, here's some things that we use. We use PCR, Southern blotting. So Southern blotting is only for DNA. Then we also have gene therapy, and then we have transgenic models. And some safety concerns are going to be, you could do something that you don't want to do, okay, right? So you're going to have off target effects. And then you could create not just a change for yourself, but a change for your germline, okay? So you always have to be careful with stuff like this, right? Like you can't just clone a bunch of people's DNA, right? We don't know what that's going to cause in the future. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go to chapter 7.1, which is all about the genetic code. So I see you in the next video.